Hi everyone, it's Joe, and I have a gratitude journal to show you. I'm excited to show this to you. We're going to have a little bit of a glare for a minute or two because this is done with foil paper and also shimmer paper. So once we open it up, that should go away. So we do our untie here with our sari silk. Put that over there, and as you can see, it's also got a jeweled butterfly up on top and some lace. So let's get rid of that glare and get inside. All right. So this is a good size journal. It's 60 pages and it's 10 by 6.5, and it has a lot of tags and a lot of pockets. I think there's over 18 tags in here. So you can use this any way it pleases you. You can put pictures in it, you can put sayings in it, whatever you use your gratitude journal for. So let's start with our back cover. And we've got our first tag here. A lot of different sayings that have been put in here for inspiration. Also, what I put in here is finding a reason to smile. That's what this is, and it's got all sorts of different things that you can check off and you can journal on. Challenges you've overcome or someone you love the most, and also the success you've had and success you've achieved. So a lot of things to smile about. I know 2020 wasn't the best smiling time, but hopefully now into 2021 we can begin to all smile again. All right, so here we go. Another journaling card here and a saying on this paper. And I'm not going to read all those to you. You can read those on your own. And this is also something else in here that's a little bit different. This is show the reason, also to smile, but like with material things or places or personal aspects. Different papers in here from a lot of different places, a lot of different ways that we work with paper. I think this is really pretty. I hope you can see that. Maybe I can put it under the light a little bit more. There you go. Anyways, that's one of those side pockets, so you can put the bigger ones in there if you want to. And this is a foil cross on here. Some more sayings. Move that just a little bit. Okay. So, however you decide to divide this up, if you write in it daily or weekly or however, it's yours to do whatever you want to do with. So, more cards here, more sayings. This one is what makes me happy. Find a reason to smile again. I love this paper. It's all the colors in it are so beautiful. It's very vintage looking. Okay, another tag. And this is a little booklet. Opens up like this. Maybe we'll write a little secret or something in there. And this is embossed paper that I've put through the embosser. A lot of sparkly things in here too. And this page is done as a jelly print. And then I put Mod Podge over the top of it. Another handmade embellishment. Some more sayings. And I use 32-pound paper in my journals, so it's plenty strong and easy to write on. We have another pocket, and it's just something that's going to last forever, and it's not going to be ripping while you try to work with it. So we've got a belly band here and some stenciling, some more sayings, and paper, and also washi tape I used in here. This is stenciled on. And on these lighter pages, certainly you can write right over that. I've seen that people do their writing and journaling right over the top of that. So another card. Oops, I was in my own shadow. Okay. And this particular washi tape, this is one of my favorites. I don't use it often because I don't want to run out. But this is raised and embossed, and the part of it is cut out, so it's really very, very pretty. Washi tape across here and across here. Again, this is the other side of that jelly print and the other side of the embossed page. And this is 37 journal prompts for self-love. It's always nice when writing a gratitude journal. Sometimes you just want to say something, don't know how to say it, or maybe you just didn't know what to say. So these are very nice prompts to have. And we've got another little tuck here in a crosswords belly band. And the way this works is it just pops right out of here. So you can put things in there. You can write in there if you want to. All right. It's going to get stuck on me here. Come on now. Well, I guess I'll take care of that later. All right, more pages. A little prayer here and some psalms. Some stamping. And this is kind of unique. This is a close-up picture of a quilt that was made by my grandma, and I just got close to it and took pictures in different areas of it and used it as a background. So I've got different angles of it, and I'm hoping I can use it a lot more too. And this also is part of one also, but this is more with the lace doily type of thing. Our last page here, and then we often take for granted the very things that most deserve our gratitude. So, and this is the fabric washi tape. So that's the gratitude journal, and I'm going to open it up so that we don't have to look at the glare. And I hope you liked it. I will be putting this up on my Etsy shop, and you can go up there and take a look at it. There will be some still pictures of it also. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and it is my hope that you will hit that little like button, and also don't forget, if you don't belong already, subscribe now. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.